That's a big New York steak. Usually I cut it. I don't know why I didn't cut it. We have to turn it. That's not the right way. So we do have to turn it. Et voilà. On a notre steak. We have a fabuleux. Voila, we're gonna turn it. See how beautiful it is. Let it cook for a little. Mon frère, mes soeurs. Yeah. Très beau, j'adore. Even. Ooh, I think I like it. I can feel it cooking already. Ooh, that's juicy. I love it. Just like I like it. Like the juice. We have a spinach. I think I'm gonna put all of them. I'm not gonna have any more. I freeze majority of my spinach. Let's go. We're gonna put some of my. I want it to be sweet too. Actually, I would like to cover it, but I don't have a cover. Voilà le résultat. It's the result. That's the rest of the meat that I marinate with my egg piece and everything on it. It's gonna be so avec la sauce dedans. It's gonna be so good. I get excited when I'm cooking my meat, my healthy meal. I should be a nutritionist. Et voilà. Voilà. Et voilà. The reason why I made my steak first, I don't want it to be so cooked. I don't like steak well cooked. I want it to be juicy, but at the same time, I want it to have the taste of my beautiful, healthy veggie sauce and spicy hot. I'm just gonna put the spinach on top of it. I just want it to have